In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the radio navigation CD player from Lexus RX350 2017, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this socket 10mm and this dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to put the car in the neutral position or drive, and then you pop up this side cover for the center console. It doesn't have any screws, you just need to pop it up. You just grab the side and just pull it to the right side, and then you can pull it up. As you can see, these are the clips which are holding the side panel, and you do the same thing for the driver side. And by the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for demo only, and these are the clips for the other side. And the next step, you remove the chrome piece around the radio and the vent. And these are the clips which are holding the bezel around the radio. And now you remove the cover for the ignition start key. These are the clips holding it. You just pop it out, and then there's only the one connector which is holding for the push switch, and you put it on the side. And the only tricky part is here, the two mounting bolts, and one on each side of the radio, one on the driver's side. It's a size 10mm, and then there's one is on the passenger side, which you need an extension plus the socket 10mm. You insert it in an angle to the side of the radio, and this is the bolt, and you do the same thing on the driver's side. And then once you get these two bolts out, and then you can pull the radio forward. The best thing to do, you should cover your shifter assembly and the center console so you won't get the scratches. And then you insert your hand underneath and then grab it and pull it out. And as you can see, these are the connectors in the back of the unit. And if you need to remove this connector, just push the clip on top of the connector and then just remove them and just pull them. And if you need any repair for these units, the navigation or radio or the CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, and our phone number is 818-785-8085. Thank you.